So Yelp, they're using AI. Speaking of AI, they're using it, and they said they want to turn your food moments into quick restaurant videos. So now, if you are a restaurant owner, you might get a little assist, as they say. They say you might get a little assist from Yelp's AI. And they're saying Yelp is stepping the game up, trying something new where they use AI to whip up short videos about restaurants. So instead of you scrolling through pics and reading reviews, Yelp is going to take all of the pictures and all the short videos and your comments, and they're going to stitch them together into a fresh video, like a slideshow. And this AI can also add a voiceover, pulling words from what the people have already been saying in the reviews. So when you're in the app on Yelp, chilling and scrolling through your home feed, if a spot looks good, you just tap it and there you go. A video pops up giving you a quick visual taste of what's good. Once you put your content out there, it can be used. So no opting out. So if you don't like the video, or if the video looks crazy or is not right, you can report it. But basically, if you create content for a restaurant, say, hey, I tried this here, Yelp has the right to use that video. So this is where everybody's using AI. So if you create content now, you have to understand when you create this content is available and it's open to any and everybody. And so this is what they're saying. The question that I have for you is Yelp's strategy good? Yelp's AI strategy good? One, I can see what I'm purchasing. That's not cool. They are using someone else's content. 3, if the content creator gets paid, it's a win-win. 4, I'm wondering what is Yelp getting out of this? Or 5, a cool way for restaurant owners to attract new customers. Revis, your thoughts?
I don't necessarily know what Yelp is.
It's like Google reviews. Like how you Google a restaurant and you click on reviews. Well,
Okay.
this is a dedicated app that says any business in your local area, Saginaw, Cadillac, Laredo, Kinder, Louisiana, you just go to the Yelp app and you say Italian restaurants near me, burger joints near me. And basically, there is no different from Google. People are just posting their reviews there. And so if you created a video and said, hey, I went to this burger joint in Cadillac, Michigan, and this is what the burger looked like, and look at all the food that I get, and this is really, really good. They're saying that, hey, they're going to use that video if they find it, and they're going to put it into a summary video for you. And this is what the video looks like.
So it's like your Yellow Pages.
Yeah, pretty much. Just digital. This is the video here. So
well, it is a plus for the people that owns the restaurant.
Right, they're winning. It's the people that are creating the content. So if you are having drinks, if you're eating the food and you do a reel, if you do a testimonial on it, if you write a review and you see it, this is the AI talking in the credits right there at the bottom and in the transcript right there. And they're showing pictures. So if the owner takes pictures of their place, if you're pouring something to drink, if you're putting cheese on your pasta, whatever it is that you're doing, this is what it will do for you. So Yelp is saying, hey, we will use your video, we will use your content if it's posted on the internet, whether it is anybody. So if they have all these restaurants listed, and if you, as a customer or as a restaurant owner, if you post anything, it's going to pull that content from each person. Now, if you post the content and you don't like it, you can complain. You can file a complaint and they may take it down. But right now, there's no guarantee.
And they can use your stuff and you don't get paid for it.
Right. And that's why I said What do you think about that?
I think if you create the content, you should get paid for
Yeah, I
it.
think a lot of people feel that way. So Yelp is just saying, hey, it's a win-win if the content creators get paid, but it's not cool if you're using someone else's content. So I don't know, which way do you think? So one, I like that I can see what I'm purchasing. Two, that's not cool that they're using someone's content. Three, if the content creator gets paid, it's a win-win. Four, I'm wondering what Yelp is getting out of this. Or five, a cool way for restaurant owners to attract new customers. It's the Lab Tech Show. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at thelabtechshow.com. Embrace it or get left behind.
Alrighty then.